Alright guys, we have here Jeep Wrangler 2022 of it, yeah. And we're doing add key. It's the same add key, all key lost. So the key he has is that one, and is a push button. And I'm gonna use the Autel. And to be honest, even you can use the Key Tool Max Pro or any tool. So, but to do that one, you need this connector right here, JCD 2-on-1. Alright, so what are you gonna do? First, this one you connect it to the OBD, that one you connect it to the tool, and then you're gonna have those pins. You're just gonna go to the passenger side over there under the glove box. I will just show you. Alright, we are in the glove box. So the glove box is right here. Just take it off. It's just like this. You try just push this one up and pull it down, and you disconnect this one here. So from here, and it will come just like that. And you're gonna have those here. So the one you're gonna work on it is gonna be that one. Okay, that one. And I believe it's gonna be those. Always, if you look for 3 wires going to one connector, is that one. Alright, so let me go test it out. Alright guys, so after connecting the wire to the OBD, and now we are here to connect that one. So as I said, always look for the 3 wires going to one connector, and put the black one on the middle and the red one to the all right. And now turn the hazard light on and the ignition off, and just click auto selection. If you're using the Autel, you go to Jeep, and this one always require internet. Alright, go to auto selection, click OK, and read the VIN. Alright, VIN scan failed. Maybe connect the wires. Alright, let's try again. Alright, because it was those when it was not inserted. Oh yeah. Alright, we got it. This is saying smart key. Click OK. Now we go control units. Read the MO password. And here you turn the ignition off, you turn the hazard light on, and click OK. You wait a couple minutes, then you get the Q code. Soon you get it, and you're able to add another key. On those kind of cars, even if you have no keys, you just click add a key. You don't have to delete the old one. If you delete the old one, you just need 1 key in the memory to start the car. Alright, now we read the already. So on the Autel, it saved the passport automatic, and we go now to the keyless system. Alright, we go key learning. We go key learning. Oh, first we go number of keys. There's no communication. See. Interesting. Alright, you just, shake those. Sometimes I lose. And click OK. Here's 2. Now we go key learning. Here, please remove all the proximity keys from the vehicle and to be programmed. So take all the keys out and just put your key. And click OK. Interesting. Well, alright, key learning.
Is it not reading?
Now it's working because those pins are sometimes move. When I move, there's no communication. So here, say 2. Do you want to learn one? Click yes. Alright, and you have the code. Click OK. And click OK. Alright, so now program success. What you just gotta do, we just press it and keep holding it until this one, until you release it, and click OK, and boom, 3 keys. So the trick only, just put it in and you keep on holding it. You press the button and you hold it, and that's it. Now we want to start it. Take off those cables and you're good to go.